In this video, I'm going to show you how to track your iPhone from your Apple Watch or how to find your iPhone location from Apple Watch. All you have to need, press the crown to go to your app library. In app library, scroll down and find out this device app. Just open the device app. And here under find devices, you have to scroll down and find iPhone. So this iPhone I want to track from my Apple Watch. So I'm just tapping on my iPhone. And now all you have to need here, you'll find your iPhone exact location. If you scroll down, here you can play a sound to your iPhone by tapping on play sound. Let's see what happened. And you can also get directions of your iPhone by tapping on directions. And that's how we can actually find our iPhone locations on Apple Watch. That's it.